Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk coming to you with a video log of an example of how you will learn what to do in your class. As you can see, I'm using this particular class as an example. This is a Linux class, but I want you to look over all the particulars in your class so you'll know exactly what you will have to do. Also, I want you to understand that this is D2L. This is the first portal you should be going into when you are taking classes in our department. I want you to look around, just search around for things so you can get familiar with this particular class. Now, these students will be learning Linux, and these are the commands that they will learn. But you may or may not be in this class, but this is an example for you in order for you to begin to understand what you need to do. So for my Linux students, yes, this will directly affect you, but for the students in the Cisco and the students in the desktop support classes, the Microsoft, you can learn from this to know what to do. Now, as you see, you have the content tab, the discussion tabs, the assignments tab, and I'm just moving around, just showing you all the different tabs that you need to be able to click on, depending what course you are in. So let's go click on content. Now, when you click on content, you know you got to wait a little while for it to pop up. You'll have your Zoom link, your syllabus, and then you will have a link to another portal where you will actually do your work. For example, Cisco NetAcad. You'll click on that link and be able to go in there and do your work. Once you click that link, you'll teleport right in there. The first thing you should also remember is that you have discussion questions that you have to go through. Make sure you read the rules for discussions so you'll know exactly what you have to do with your discussion class. You will have them weekly, so make sure you pay attention to that. And if you do not do the discussion correctly, I am going to send you the rules for discussion every week just so you'll be mindful of the discussion. Now, you will have this weekly, so just make sure you stay on top of your discussions. They are worth a lot of points. And you have these other tabs that's connected. Assignments, you may or may not have assignments. As you can see, they do not have assignments because their assignments is inside of their portal. You may or may not have quizzes. In this particular class, you can see that they have quizzes. Remember, this is an example of what your class can look like. Then you have your grades and the rest of the tabs. So what I need you to do is go in here and go directly to your syllabus and begin to learn the different things. You saw me point to the content. That's where your syllabus is. Knowing your syllabus will make you very successful in completing this course. So people, let's get started. Let's get focused. Monday is tomorrow, and we are ready to go. Just be mindful. Take your time and focus on your course. This is Professor Sistrunk.